In this video, you'll learn how to use ClickUp Goals so you can track your most important outcomes in one clear place. We'll go step by step, starting from where to find goals in your workspace and ending with creating your first goal. Even if you're brand new to ClickUp, by the end of this walkthrough, you should feel comfortable navigating to goals and getting one set up. Let's start with where goals live in the ClickUp interface. When you open ClickUp, look over to the far left side of your screen. You'll see the global navigation bar, which is that vertical bar that holds things like home, tasks, dashboards, and other main sections. This is where the goals section is located. Take a moment to slowly move your cursor down that left-hand bar and look for an option labeled Goals. Depending on how your workspace is set up, it might appear directly on that bar, ready to click. If you can see Goals right away, you're set. Simply click it to open the Goals area. If you don't immediately see goals in that list, don't worry, it's probably just hidden under the More menu. On the global navigation bar, look for an option that shows three dots, usually written as an ellipsis. This is often labeled More, and it's where ClickUp keeps additional features that aren't currently pinned to your sidebar. Click on those three dots to open the More menu. Inside this menu, you should now see additional options, one of which will be Goals. This is still part of the main app, it's just not pinned to your navigation yet. Go ahead and locate goals in that list and click it. That will open the goals view so you can start working with them. If you know you'll be using goals regularly, it's a good idea to pin them to your sidebar so they're always easy to access. After you've found goals in the More menu, look for an option to pin it. Usually this is as simple as selecting a pin icon or a pin to sidebar command next to goals. Once you do that, the goals item will move out of the More menu and appear directly on your global navigation bar alongside your other main views. This small step saves time later and keeps your workspace organized around what you use most. Now that you know how to access goals, let's create a new one. With the goals section open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled New Goal with a plus sign. This is your starting point for creating a fresh goal. Click the New Goal button. This will open a window or panel where you can set up the details of your goal. Here, you'll typically give your goal a clear, descriptive name, something that makes it obvious what you're trying to achieve. This is also where you can usually define other details like the time frame, the owner, and the type of targets you'll track under that goal. Once you've entered the information that makes sense for you, confirm or save your new goal. At this point, your goal will appear in the goals view, ready for you to add targets and track progress over time. That's the basic process. Find goals in the global navigation bar, use the More menu and pin option if you don't see it at first, then click the New Goal button in the top right to create your goal. With these steps, you're ready to start using ClickUp Goals to keep your work focused and measurable.